So coming to the next one, this is your glaucoma. And as you remember, I always give you a blue baby boy, Bablu. Do you remember Bablu? Raise your hand. How many of you remember the Bablu? And we are going to talk about him. Always remember this Bablu. It is the blue baby boy and Bablu. Blue baby boy Bablu is there. So this blue baby boy Bablu, he will present with. So B for blue, and this blue is actually the blue sclera. Then it's a baby. It's more common in boys. Bablu, by which the question came in AIIMS. And also B for bilateral. It is also B for bilateral, and this Bablu will present with. So see the Bablu they had given. This was actually our vibe image that came in AIIMS 2017. It came in AIIMS 2017. You can see that we are having the bilateral. Bablu is a boy, baby. You can see the blue sclera. It is the blue sclera that is there. And then this Bablu will always present with the BPL card. So always remember, whenever you see Bablu with the blue baby boy bilateral, it is actually B for buphthalmos. So this Bablu will present with the B for the blepharospasm. B for blepharospasm. Then we are going to have P for photophobia. And then L for the lacrimation. So always remember L for lacrimation. And this Bablu is also having two more things. You can see the hazy cornea. This is actually the hazy cornea. Now how will you get to see that this is hazy? You are not able to see the iris details. It is hazy. Now one more thing. Sometimes they will tell you in the question that it is megalocornea, but sometimes they will not. So how will you make out if you are not able to see this inferior white part? If I am not able to see the inferior limbus, that means it's a megalocornea. And take my words, this much is sufficient to say that this Bablu is having the buphthalmos. So simple, we have got Bablu, we have got blue baby boy, along with the blue sclera, along with the BPL card. This baby will present with the BPL card. Below poverty line के साथ बच्चा present करेगा. We have blepharospasm, we have photophobia, we have lacrimation, along with the hazy cornea, along with the megalocornea. Now Bablu is having something from the birth. So obviously you cannot treat it with the drugs. Therefore, you have to do the surgery. So treatment of choice is surgery. Now another important thing, the type of stria. The type of stria that you get is the H for horizontal and H for half. Now there was a question in INSET November 2022 also, that which of the following is false for the keratoconus, and keratoconus mein they had given you this half stria, while half stria are actually present where? The half stria are actually present in the buphthalmos. So half stria is also important. Blue baby boy Bablu with the frosted glass appearance, with the megalocornea, with the half stria, do surgery. Now what surgery you have to do? So we have two things that we can do when we have got the clear cornea and when we have the hazy cornea. Clear cornea, hazy cornea. If we have a clear cornea, do the goniotomy. Now see, if the cornea is clear, I can see the angle. Just create an opening in that goniotomy. I cannot see the angle. Then do something at the trabecular meshwork. Then we do the trap plus trap. Then we do trap plus trap. So simple here, try to see if they are asking you the question on the treatment. Try to find out the cornea is clear or the cornea is hazy and decide accordingly. Very, very important. Very, very important. You can see the direct question. Another thing now, another one is the primary open angle glaucoma. Primary open angle glaucoma. Now primary open angle glaucoma ka you can remember it as chronic simple glaucoma. Chronic hai, simple hai, glaucoma hai. Now you have so many glaucomas. So how to remember the glaucomas from the words, ma'am? Yes. So I'll tell you how to remember this from the word itself. Primary means we have no known cause. भाई ऐसे ही तो हम करते हैं whenever in medicine we do not know the cause of anything, what we say कि it's primary, it's a essential hypertension or it's a primary hypertension. patient भी डर जाता है कि अरे भाई क्या हो गया, we are having essential hypertension, but actually we know that we do not know the cause. So whenever we have primary मतलब no known cause, open angle is equal to the trabecular blockade. So whenever we are having a trabecular blockade, it could be by anything, okay? It could be by anything. If I am having trabecular blockade, it is primary. Chronic means gradual diminution of vision. Simple means painless. And if I am saying it's a glaucoma, that means triad will be present. Now, I am telling you certain things which will help you in solving the questions just mathematically. मतलब ophthalmology is equal to yes, ma'am, the most tough thing. Yes, because you have got so many glaucomas. So, I will tell you mathematical ophthalmology. Mathematical ophthalmology, that how to go about the questions. I have already told you that if you get a question on gradual, painless, progressive diminution of vision, just remember that your answer is either the cataract or it is primary open angle glaucoma. Number 2, if you get the acute red eye, if you are getting the acute red eye means if you are having the sudden painful. If you are having the sudden painful diminution of vision, then either it is acute anterior uveitis or it is acute congestive glaucoma. Very, very simple you are going to have. Number 3, if you are having the sudden painless. If we are having the sudden painless diminution of vision, that means something in the posterior segment. That means it is something related to the posterior segment. Number 4, if you are having the floaters in the question, that means it's a vitreous pathology. If you are having the metamorphopsia in the question, write in the comment section what is metamorphopsia. That means it's a macular pathology. So just mathematically you can see, yes, it is gradual painless. That means cataract or open angle glaucoma. If it is acute red eye, acute anterior uveitis or acute congestive glaucoma. If it is sudden painless loss of vision, anything related to posterior segment. Floaters means any vitreous pathology. That means vitreous disease. Metamorphopsia you will get in macular disease. Metamorphopsia means distorted vision. That means you are going to get the distortion of the vision.